In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to properly adjust the height of a panel on a swing door. In your hardware box, you will be supplied with 3 Allen wrenches, a number 3, a number 5, and a number 6 wrench. For this adjustment, we will only be using the number 6 Allen wrench. The up and down adjustment is located on the underside of the hinge. Insert the number 6 Allen wrench into the bottom of the hinge. Turn it clockwise to lift the panel, counterclockwise to lower the panel. Make sure to adjust all the other hinges the same amount of turns to distribute the weight evenly.